Here is the chapter review for Chapter 9 to help study for the test. The first section is going back to Lesson 1. It's having them draw 3 paintbrushes in order from longest to shortest. They can just draw a simple paintbrush that looks like that. But shortest to longest, they should be able to recognize those words. Number 2 is using the clues to be able to help us write a problem shortest to longest. It says, a gray line is longer than a white line. A white line is longer than a black line. So solving that, we would say a gray line is longer than a white line. We're just looking at those two first. Then we're comparing a white line is longer than a black line. Our question says, so the gray line is blank than the black line. We would say it is longer. Going down to Lesson 9.3, use real objects to measure. The square they're wanting you to measure with is just a 1-inch square, and you can just find any calculator. I know they're not going to be the same size. On the back side of the homework, once again, they want you to measure, it looks like a keyboard, computer keyboard, using a paper clip from one end to the other. Next section, 9.6 and 7, you are looking at the hour hand to write that it is, looks like it is half past on all of those, so they would write out the word 4:30 for number 1. And the last section from lesson 9.8 and 9.9, they are looking at the clock and being able to write it on a digital clock.